Good morning, students. Today I again came with the class of upper nursery English. In your previous class, I taught you how to write the four alphabets A, B, C and D. But today I will teach you the rest of the alphabets E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. First of all, open the copy. You will not fold the copy. Hold the pencil. Then observe the line. From the first point, drag it towards the down. This is the example of standing line. Then drag it towards the right. These are the examples of slipping lines. So it becomes E. Again, from the first point, drag it towards the down and then drag it towards the right side. This is F. It forms F. Now comes G. How we will draw G or write G? This is an example of curve. It should be in an anti-clockwise way. So it forms G. How to write H? First, take the point, drag it towards the down. This is example of standing line, sleeping line, standing line. It become H. Nice, no? See, now comes I. We will learn like this. See, sleeping line, standing line, again sleeping line becomes I. Sleeping line, example of curve, becomes J. Standing line, slanting line becomes K. Standing line, slipping line, it becomes L. Understood, children? Nice to write, no? And easy also to write. So, I will give you 4-page homework. 4 each alphabets in 2 pages you have to write. See, like this: E, F, G, H. Parents, I am asking you to write the first line and then make the second line with dotted alphabets so that your kids can practice it freehand or trace it freehand. And from the third line, you again write the alphabet. And on the entire page, they have to complete their homework. These are the homework. First page. Again, second page. E, F, G, H. This line, the parents will write for them. And from the rest of the line, this line, this line. See, these are the lines your kids will fill up. Again, same thing for I, J, K, L. First line, the parents will write for them and then make the dotted lines for dots so that your kids can trace it freehand. I, J, K, L. And on the entire page, they have to fill up. This is also homework. See, I, J, K, L. Again, second page, they have to write I, J, K, L. Total 4 pages. They have to write the alphabets E, F, G, H. Again, E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. Again, I, J, K, L. Understood, everyone? So, children, thank you. Stay happy and be safe at your home.